Let's trade it now with Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy. How are you approaching this name, Scott?
Hi. The expectations here are actually not real high. So I think that, the numbers that they post here could really lead to a beat and maybe a little optimism, which I'm not so sure is really that warranted right now. The option market's pricing in about a $30 move either way. I'm going to sell an iron condor for this week, something that we have talked about in the past. I'm going to sell the downside put spread, the 410, 400 put spread. I'm also going to sell the upside call spread, the 455, 465. So $10 on each side, collect $5 on that. So what that means is by the end of the day on Friday, if we are anywhere between 405 and 460, I make money. If we are outside of that range, the risk I am limited to is also $5, which happens to be my credit. So overall, I am actually a little bit bearish on Tesla here just because I think they may post good numbers, but those expectations are really low.
Okay, I suppose it all comes down to what Musk communicates on that conference call as well. Let's park Tesla there and just get your overall take on the market action today. It looks like we're losing a little bit of steam throughout the course of this morning session. What do you make of it?
I think it's some reaction to what's happening in gold, which was it so incredibly overbought? Sure. Was gold? I mean, I can't believe I'm saying this. Was gold kind of acting like a meme stock in a way? Yes. So you've got that. Then you've got obviously some disappointment out of Texas Instruments, out of Netflix, maybe putting some pressure on just some of the optimism that had been out there. I don't see really anything out there that suggests, that we're in for a big sell-off or anything. But obviously, earnings reports, Tesla can lead the market. The other Mag 7s, which most of them come out next week, those will absolutely be critical.
Yeah, we've got a few catalysts on the horizon now with the micro and also the macro finally. But we'll have to leave it there, Scott. Appreciate your time as always. Scott Bauer, CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joining me.